Hey y'all, it's Summer Christiana, and today we are shooting at the gun range with Commander Hambrick. We'll be going over some safety tips, so tune in and stay tuned.
First things first, safety. Remember to always point your firearm downrange to where that it's not facing anybody that you don't feel like you want to destroy, or it's facing towards the target, okay? Right. That's why the firearm is handled pointing downrange right now. Right now, the firearm is locked to the rear. You see that it's loaded. There's not a bullet. There's no ammo in there. There's nothing in there. I can give you this firearm. See the magazine inside in the sheet now. It has rounds inside the magazine, but they're not in the chamber yet. So I'll pull it out. See anything in there? When you're unloading the firearm, first thing you want to do, always remove the magazine. Stop feeding the weapon ammo, okay? Set it to the side. You're gonna rack that weapon one good time. Pops out. Okay? Then you're gonna slide it to the rear. Lock it to the rear, so it sits just like this, so that you can see. Now this firearm is clear, okay? Alright. Holding it, you want to make sure that you sit the firearm in your workspace. So when I say bring it into your workspace, this is visually see the firearm. Magazine, right inside there. Loaded, okay? So now the firearm is loaded now. So you got 14 in here, you got one in the chamber. Alright, now, when we're taking shots, we're going to aim for the center mass. Center mass, you have more chance of hitting something with center mass shots, okay? Head shots, they come in time. Alright? When you hold the gun, you want to hold, are you right-handed? You want to hold it with your right hand like this, come with your left hand, and marry it together. So you put your right thumb over your left thumb. You put your left thumb in this groove right here. So you see that? That's good. This is a good hand format right here. You're gonna press out with your good feet apart and get a good stance. You wanna lock your arms out. Now, when it comes to your front sight and your rear sight, this is how you aim. Your front sight is where the bullet goes. Okay? Right. Rear sight is how to help line that front sight. So it should look like that. Okay? That's how it looks. So yeah, you want to focus on this orange dot. Now I'm gonna fire one round off. Okay. So basically, feet width apart. Grab your space first. Now, when it comes to the trigger, you don't want to jerk the trigger. You want to press on it nice. Let it reload, hop back. So, that's the example of focusing on the front sight. Both bullets went into the same area because of me focusing on the orange sight. So, when you're pressing on the trigger, you're going to press. How? Let it go off, okay? Now, if you jerk the trigger, it's going to go to the far left or the far right. So, step up. Right. right there. Put your left thumb over. Take off. Make sure your left thumb actually in that groove. Lean up into it. Now, put that front sight right there. Now press easy on the trigger. Press. Try one more time. Hands are off. Put your hands where they're supposed to be. Good job. Finger off the trigger until you're ready. Put that right thumb up some. You wanna hold the frame of the weapon to make sure that you control it. You're in control. Don't let the gun control you. That left thumb right here, and that right thumb up. Put the left thumb under the right thumb. Sit down. Let me show you again. Alright. You wanna have it seated like this. It's married into it. So you wanna have it just like this. When you point out just like this, okay? Good job. Now, press easy on that trigger. Press. Aim down some. Yeah. Wrist a slight bend. If you get a slight bend, slight bend. Now, if you're aiming for the head, that's one thing, but we're not there yet. You're gonna do center mass shots first. But for you to still do 2 head shots or a neck and a head shot, those are good shots because if you're able to have to defend yourself, shots will definitely terminate your target. Okay. See, where you at? Great job. Now, fire 2 shots to the target. This is 7 feet right here. Your closest that you will be to a person is anywhere from 7 to 15 feet, okay? Especially if you're having to defend yourself. So, when you come out your holster or come out your purse, you're going to be quick with it, okay? You want to think like, okay, hey, I know that I'm already in danger, because at the point if you pulling your firearm, you know that you need to be some type of danger, okay, or defend someone else. So when you come out, you want to be fast with it, okay? So not fast when you're throwing bullets, fast when you're pow, okay? So let me show you real fast. Step to side. And this is what this looks like, so fast, okay? So you want to, okay? Follow through in that sense of, you see how both my shots went into the head? I was able to follow through with the front sight. The front sight is key.
Follow through with what?
With the front sight. So that you want to focus on that. When you get out there, you want to have. Now, shooting at 7, you shouldn't miss anything, but some people still do because in a shooting, you are nervous. Or you're all over the place. You want to make sure that you focus because you're responsible for every bullet that you shoot. So if you shoot somebody else trying to shoot, then it's going to be a bad day, okay? Good job.
Thank you, Commander Hambrick, for showing me some safety tips when I'm using my firearm. Are there any other tips that you have for any ladies or gentlemen that want to shoot with you?
I would definitely say if you own a firearm, definitely come book a class. Let me show you a few elite skills that I've trained for, being on special ops, SWAT. I have a lot to offer from advanced shooting to just basic firearms. Definitely ladies, if you want to protect yourself from any type of harm that comes to ladies in general, then you definitely come see me. I'll teach you how to tactically shoot, I'll teach you how to fundamental shoot, I'll teach you how to move and shoot if you want to, and to generally just protect yourself and your assets that you own.
Okay, thank you. Where can they find your Instagram, website, or anything like that?
You can find me on Instagram at Zeus Instructional on Instagram. Also, my business card was posted on there, so I do have a phone number. Phone number is going to be 404-490-2419.
Summer may only be one season, but stick with me where it's summer year round. I'll see you for the next video.